Hey everybody, good morning from the Shenandoah Valley of Virginia. This is Daniel, and I'm so excited to be invited by IKYA and Andy to come back to your beautiful center and to be honored to teach inner child healing in this deep healing workshop with you all. And I just want to say a few words about it. I felt to come out this morning and record this video at dawn because this workshop really is like a new dawn for a lot of people. It's a gentle, sweet, loving space where we have the opportunity to learn how to even deepen more our connection with our inner child. And we all have a connection with our inner child, whether we're conscious of it or not. And this workshop is about becoming aware of the importance and depth and sacredness of that connection. And we do that in a really loving, sweet, gentle way. And I love this workshop because it's so freaking practical. It's not theoretical. It's not talking about ideas and concepts. No, we're doing the work. We're making, through a series of emotional and physical exercises, a connection with our inner child that we can take with us after the workshop. And these exercises we can do for the rest of our lives. Some of them I learned 40 years ago, and I did quite recently myself. And these exercises help me to connect with what I'm feeling emotionally and to express it. So when there are things that are difficult, I can let them go. And when I let them go, all that energy that I've been using to manage those negative feelings or process them or suppress them if I'm in denial of them, all that energy is freed up and it goes into my connection with spirit, into my connection with God, into my connection with nature, into my connection with life, and lets me live and thrive and share and serve in the way that I've come to serve. So I invite you all to join us in this weekend, this community of love and support and play and fun, which is really what it's all about. Because when we connect with our inner child, the whole point is to let our inner child out to play and live in delight and freedom and joy the way we're all meant to live. So please join us for this great time. I'm so grateful to IKYA and Andy to be able to come back because I travel all around the world teaching a number of different workshops, and this workshop is my favorite, and it's always the most transformative for people. And because of that, I believe it's the most spiritual workshop I offer, even though we're doing this very practical, transformative, emotional healing work. So love to you all, and see you soon, and good morning from the Shenandoah Valley of Virginia.